All acting like me and shit. They said it'll rub off if you hang around it long enough. Let's get it. I go to war by that right there, cause that's my baby and the love of the.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin. For those who are new, hi, nice to meet you. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that red button down below and subscribe. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. So you clicked on this video because the thumbnail caught your attention. First of all, my lips are kind of rusty, dusty, crusty right now. It's been pretty cold in North Carolina, so they're dry, they're chapped, and they just need to be brought back to life. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. And you just want to brush and exfoliate all the dead skin off of your lips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, but I know you guys already did, and stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching, you guys.